Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna look into another stock review. You all know I've been putting wealth creating stocks. So in that list, this is the next stock which has given us a return of 73% for 1 year. So we'll go and see which stock this is and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So it is none other than Whirlpool of India. So this is a stock which was, which I discovered recently, and like looking at the returns and the performance of the company, I was very impressed. So I thought this is one of a stock which needs to be in the wealth creating stock. So here's the review of that stock. So let's get started. So this was basically founded in the year 1911. So this is a US based company. So it was founded in the year 1911, and as part of the business expansion, this came into India. I mean, the company came into India in 1980, and with the help of TVS Ventures, they set up um, a plant in Pondicherry. So that was their first setup or first plant in Pondicherry, and that is how and when they had come to India. And its headquarters is Michigan in the US, and in India, its headquarters is in Gurugram. And what sector it belongs to? It belongs to consumer products sector, and what all they do. So we all know Whirlpool, very famous for its sixth sense. So products which they manufacture are refrigerators, washing machine, air conditioners, microwave ovens, and domestic appliances, water purifiers, and one new thing which happened recently is that they have bought one of a company which is familiar to many of us, which is Elika. So they have bought Elika company, and they will be partnering with them, and getting into the chimney and hob making in the future. And I've heard that they are ready to launch nearly 100 products. So the net profit of Whirlpool of India in the June quarter, it was 190 crores, whereas in September it has gone down to 124 crores. Same as with the sales, in June it was 1974.2 crores, whereas in September it is 1393.46 crores. We look into the stock details of Whirlpool of India. So its NSE code is WHIRLPOOL Whirlpool, and the BSE code is 500238. The company PE is 61, whereas the industry PE is 73. So you all can see the company PE is less when compared to the industry PE. So there's more way for the stock to grow. The 52-week low is 1270, whereas the high is 2448. The face value is 10. The TTM EPS is 37. The PB is 13, and the return on capital employed, which is ROCE, is 32.24. We'll look into the shareholdings of Whirlpool. So basically, there is, as I told in the beginning, it is a foreign company. It is based out of US. So there are foreign promoters, and the promoter holding is very good here. It is 75%. The DII, which is the domestic institutional investors, are 10%. FII, which is foreign institutional investors, are 4.31%, and the others, which is mutual funds, retail investors, all together are 10.66%. We look into the mutual fund investment into this stock. So totally 96 schemes of different mutual funds have invested in this stock with an amount of 2211 crores, in which HDFC Midcap Opportunities has invested the maximum amount, which is 481 crores. But Invesco India Midcap Fund holds the maximum weightage, which is 4.35 percentage. We're looking to the top 5 schemes or mutual funds holding the stock. So first one on the list is HDFC Midcap Opportunities Fund, which is invested 480 crores. Next on the list is Aditya Birla Sun Life Equity Hybrid 95 Fund, which is invested 245 crores. The third one is Sundaram Midcap, which has invested 175 crores. Fourth one on the list is Aditya Birla Sun Life Equity Growth Fund, which is invested 112 crores, and the fifth one on the list is Canara Robeco Emerging Equities Regular Fund, which has invested 93.5 crores. And another input is Motilal Oswal Midcap Fund. They've been raising this stock since 2-3 quarters, so they are raising their stake in this stock. We'll look into the returns given by this stock for over a period of 10 years. So as I told you all in the beginning, the stock has given us nearly 73 percentage, 74 percentage, actually it is 73.84 percentage for 1 year, 35 percentage for 3 years, 30 percentage for 5 years, and 32 percentage for 10 years. So you all can see this is grown very good and has given us a continuous and a decent and a very good return every year for 10 years. Like if we had stayed invested, I think we would have got very good returns from this stock. So I feel the stock is very good when it comes for the promoter holding, the returns given by the stock, um, and the investments of mutual funds and FIIs are good. So this is something which needs to be in the wealth creating list. So I've made this video, and I've not yet invested in the stock, but I've decided to invest in the stock in the near future. So this is a review of this stock. If at all you want to invest in this stock, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from my side. This is just to let you all know about the stock and the returns and the performance of the stock, so that you all can do your research and invest and earn good returns. So as I've been telling you all, I told you all in the beginning of this video that this particular company is looking towards a big growth. So now recently they've bought Elika and stepped into the hob and a chimney manufacturing, and with the combination of Elika and are ready to launch nearly 100 products. So I think it is time to think about the stock and invest. So, as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.